Hello everyone, thanks for checking out today's Canva tutorial video. Today, we're gonna learn how to make map designs in Canva, so let's get started. First, here on our homepage, you need to select a specific type of canvas that you want to use. You can use the search bar right over here for that, especially if you're looking for some templates that you can use and modify. But if you need to use a canvas with specific dimensions, then you can click on this custom size button right here and then input your desired width and desired height and choose your desired unit as well. Once you're done, click on Create New Design so that you'll be taken to the Canva editor. And so here we are. In case you want to use some templates, you can find them here on the side panel and you can find them under the design category. You can scroll down or you can type specific keywords on the search bar to get to the templates you're looking for faster. Anyway, we're going to add our map now. So to do that, we're going to go to the sidebar and go to the apps button. And here on the search bar, we're going to type in maps and hit enter. We have three options here. We're going to go for Google Maps. And here it is. So you can actually see some maps over here already, but you can input specific addresses here on the search bar so that maps of that area will load up here on the side panel. And once you want to add that map onto your design, you can just click on that map and it'll be added right over here. So you can position it however you want to. And that's how you add a map right here in Canva. Now that your map's been added, then it's time for us to design it. You can design your map however you want to. As for me, this is how I'd like to do it. So what is this? It's a Colosseum. Okay, so in that case, I'd like to change our background color over here. I'm gonna go to this button and select a nice color for our design today. Okay, how about that? And I think our map is looking a little bit lonely, so I'm gonna press R on my keyboard to add a rectangle because I'd like to add a border to our map. I'm going to click on this More button, position, and backward to send it behind our map. And I'd like to change its color, so I'm going to go here on the color button, and I'm going to select a color that would fit our design. And I think that should be okay. Perhaps our border's too big. Maybe we can adjust that. Okay, that should be fine. I'm going to move it right over here, perhaps. And I'm going to add another rectangle to put at the bottom. I'm gonna group them. Oops. Okay. Raise this up a bit. Okay, there we go. And I am going to input some text here. So I'm going to go to the text button, click on add text box, and I'm going to put here make sure it's in the middle, by the way. I'm going to change its color to something like that. And I'd like to change its font as well. And we're going to add another text box. We're going to type in here Colosseum. And then we're going to change the font for this one as well. Let's find a nice font that we can use. Perhaps we can change our color. I guess that should be fine. For this, maybe we could turn it to white, but let's add effects to it by going to the effects button here. And I'm not very happy with this text, so, this font, so maybe we can change it. And then now, I'd like to add an element over here. I'm gonna try to search for a Colosseum graphic element. So I'm gonna go to graphics and I'm gonna choose an awesome Colosseum graphic element here that I can use on our design. What about this one? I think I like this one because it matches our theme. So maybe we can go to position and backward. And yeah, I think that should be fine. Let's try to play around with the colors here. Okay, I'm not very happy with this black cloud thing right over here. We're gonna change that. We're gonna do something about it, but first I'd like to play around with the colors here first. Okay, I think I like that shade of green. Now I'm gonna duplicate it and I'm going to crop it. So I'm gonna click on crop here. I'm gonna crop out the others except for this cloud and I'm gonna click on done. I'm gonna overlap it here and I'm gonna click on green and turn it to white and there, problem solved. I can even make it bigger if I want to. There. I think it's looking great so far. So basically, we're just going to be adding information here, just fake information to have something to work with. I'm just going to go to text again and click on add text box. I'm going to type here, contact, okay, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0. Okay, that should be fine. I'm going to zoom in to see clearly. And perhaps we can change our font to something else. I think this looks nice. It looks playful. Maybe black would be okay. And now I'm going to go to Elements, and I'm going to look for phone icon. Click this one, and position it right over here. I'm going to change its color to pure black, just like our text, and align them properly. There. Okay, I'm going to duplicate this text now. And I'm going to change this into sample website 123 samplewebsite.com. And now I'm going to look for a website icon. I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to change the white to the same color as our background. I'm just going to align that here to make sure that it's going to be the same size as our phone circle, phone icon. Then I'm going to copy this again or duplicate it. And then put any information you think would be useful here. I think we already have our address here anyway, so maybe we could just delete that and do 2. Okay, and I think I'm quite happy with our design today. I think that should be it. So as for you, you can add as many maps as you need, and you can design it however you want to. Once you're finished with your design, then it's time for you to save it or download it. So go to the share button here. From the drop-down, click on download. So this is where you're going to select your desired file type. You have PNG, which is best for complex images and illustrations, JPG, which is best for sharing, and PDF print, which is best for printing. If you have a web design and animation option, then you can go for this one, SVG. But unfortunately, this is only available for those with Canva subscriptions. As for me, I'm going to choose PNG because we're not going to be printing it. We're just going to use it digitally. And if you're a Canva Pro user again, you can tweak these download settings over here according to your preferences. And once you're done, you can go ahead and click on download. And there you have it. That's how you make map designs in Canva. We hope you found today's video of help somehow. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video. You have a great day.